Hello there, this is Education 422 Design Challenge by me, Giovanni Casunea and Christian Barajas. So the lesson is centered on raising awareness of and solutions for homelessness in San Diego County. The main idea here is using a software tool in order to express those solutions and awareness that students can investigate and then share through the website that I'm about to share right now. So right here, as you may see, we have Pixton where we're in the website and I'm already logged in. So as any student who wants to create a comic, well, you just press plus new comic. And right here is gonna give you all of these stuff, the plaintext. You got the background, characters, objects, bubble words in order to add speeches. Let's play a little bit with this. We can for example use right here the White House, right? And we want to maybe add some person right here. This is my main person character I created when I was doing the profile, and then we can move it right here. We can add on our character, and meanwhile let's just add some bubble speeches right here. We can add bubble speech. We can do this, and let's say we are done for now. Press done, and then once you're done, then you want to press share, and you want to add a title, fighting for homelessness. As I was saying, it's not really hard. Any child is gonna be able to play around with it and be ready to go in the first place. And it's a fun way for students in order to explore instead of having difficulties when experimenting with this. So every kid should be able to use it, but of course this project is gonna be centered for mainly middle school and 8th grade students. As I was saying, that we need a computer, a laptop, internet. It shouldn't take more than 5 to 6 minutes to get everything moving on. Of course, we want to introduce the topic of homelessness in the Industrial Revolution. Maybe begin asking and trying to engage the students for them to explore in their minds a little bit about the topic, or start to wonder things and trying to ignite the flame of curiosity on them. To begin this, for example, we can ask some questions such as, have they seen homelessness? What do they think about homelessness? Do they think that homelessness is maybe caused by poverty or by something else that maybe we're not looking at? Why do they think homelessness happens, or is homelessness something new? And then of course we can allow them to use ChatGPT, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to explore some of the questions that you might have asked the students. And then once they're done using ChatGPT, they can go straight to Pixton and create their accounts, and then introduce the statement on how they can present solutions. How would you solve homelessness, or how would you spread awareness about homelessness? And this is the main theme where Pixton is gonna come and make it a fun experience for the students. So yes, this is the design challenge that I'm presenting. It's pretty simple. What causes these issues of homelessness? In recent decades, California homeless population has been growing faster than any other state. And yes, pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to do. So yeah, thank you for watching this video again.